Hi, I'm Charlotte at See Naturally. I'm a natural eyesight improvement teacher and I help people to improve their eyesight naturally and get rid of their glasses. So come along to a fantastic 2-hour workshop at the Tame Barnes Centre on the 26th of November just for 2 hours from 10 till 12. It could change your eyesight and your life forever. It's called Rest Your Eyes and See More Clearly. Rested eyes, see more clearly, and I'll teach you how to rest your eyes and how to improve your eyesight with those nice, relaxed, rested eyes. Relaxing the visual system is what this is all about, and how we feel and how we see the world impacts our vision. So come and find out more. It's a brilliant little workshop. Please come along. I'm also doing it in Marlow at Healthy Stuff Complementary Therapy Clinic on Saturday 19th of November and also on the 3rd of December on Zoom. And you'll get handouts, all the information you need, and the Zoom class will also get the audio recording as well afterwards. So I look forward to seeing you. Book now, enjoy your vision and make it better. You can. Take care. Bye.